Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is about learning correct pronunciation. Before starting to learn new words, you must know how to pronounce German words. In this video, you will learn about German diphthongs and the most common letter combinations and pronunciation rules. I will also give you some tips and tricks which will help you to pronounce German words correctly. First, let's understand what are diphthongs. A diphthong is a sound made by the combination of two vowels in a single syllable. I will read each example twice. You can pause the video, pronounce the word by yourself, and then play again. Let's begin. IE sounds as E. IE sounds as E. For example, we. EI sounds as I. EI sounds as I. For example, ice. Ice. AI sounds as I. AI sounds as I. For example, my. My means the month May. My. EU sounds as oi. EU sounds as oi. For example, toyer. Toyer. A umlaut U sounds as oi. A umlaut U sounds as oi. For example, Häuser. Häuser. AU sounds as au. AU sounds as au. For example, laut. Laut. Practice of diphthong. Auto. Auto. Heiß. Heiß. Frau. Frau. Spiel. Spiel. Euro. Euro. Seite. Seite. Ei. Ei. Bäume. Bäume. Weiß. Weiß. Haus. Haus. Papagei. Papagei. Other useful combination of letters: ICH sounds as ish. ICH sounds as ish. For example, nisht, nisht. ACH sounds as ark. ACH sounds as ark. For example, nacht, nacht. OCH sounds as oak. OCH sounds as oak. For example, hawk, hawk. UCH sounds as ook. UCH sounds as ook. For example, book, book. SCH sounds as sure. SCH sounds as sure. For example, shone, shone. ST sounds as stir. ST sounds as stir. For example, student, student. SP sounds as spur. SP sounds as spur. For example, spiel, spiel. Useful tips: H is silent after vowels. For example, fahren, fahren. EN sounds as un at the end of a word. For example, treffen, treffen. E sounds as a at the end of word. For example, puppe, puppe. IG sounds as ish at the end of word. For example, billish, billish. TION sounds as tion in the middle and end of a word. For example, position. PF sounds as f in the beginning and middle of word. For example, fared. Let's practice more. Pronounce the words. Tasche, Tasche. Tisch, Tisch. Pflanze, Pflanze. Schule, Schule. Kuchen, Kuchen. Let's revise quickly what we have learned in this video. Diphthongs at a glance. IE sounds as E. EI sounds as I. AI sounds as I. EU sounds as oi. A umlaut U sounds as oi. AU sounds as au. Summary of combination of letters. ICH sounds as ish, ACH sounds as ark, OCH sounds as oak, UCH sounds as ook, SCH sounds as sh, ST sounds as st, SP sounds as sp. Quick tips. H is silent after vowels. EN sounds as un at the end of a word. E sounds as a at the end of a word. IG sounds as ish at the end of word. TION sounds as tion in the middle and at the end of word. PF sounds as f in the beginning and middle of a word. To encourage me and appreciate my efforts, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Please share it with others and give comments. Click the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos. Thanks for watching.